Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vanessa. If this is your first time you are seeing me, thank you. Please subscribe. If this is not your first time, thank you for coming back. Like this video too. So if you want to see how I achieved these brows in this makeup look, stick around now because this is going to be a very easy brow tutorial. Let's start. First thing I'm doing is I'm outlining the under of my brows with a brown brow pencil. You can just use any random brown pencil that is like close to your that matches you. So I'm going up top the brows too, and make sure that the top and the bottom line they meet somewhere. Let them meet like two couples that are in a relationship that are trying to compromise. Let them meet each other halfway. Let them meet. I'm just repeating the same step at the other brows. And there's something I did off camera. I used eyelash glue to kind of like to glue the brows so they stay in place, and it helps if you're trying to achieve this natural look. So I'm just brushing through the brows. Make sure you follow the shape of your natural brows. It's very important. Right now I am concealing. I'm using the LA Girl concealer. You should use a concealer that is at least a shade lighter than your skin tone for the under of your brows. Then at the top of your brows you can use foundation, you can use concealer your shades, like just so that blending will be easy for you. Just keep a very steady hand and just be very patient. So right now I'm going up top with the same concealer. If you notice, I don't start from the beginning of my brows. Like I noticed that it helped me achieve the natural looking brows, and that's what I'm trying to achieve. Natural looking brows, so that these men will not know that I don't have eyebrows. So just take your time, keep a very steady hand, like just be very patient. Go slowly. If you are a beginner, just be very slow. Right now I'm just trying to blend up the concealer, the excess concealer. So I'm using that same brush to blend it up, and I go in with my fingers a lot. You notice I go in with my finger. It helps me, it makes blending easier for me. And have a spoolie right beside you. Just be brushing through the brows with a spoolie. It makes it look better. Yeah, just conceal, blend. It's very important you blend in makeup. If you can blend in makeup, I'm telling you, you can do makeup. Makeup is not that hard. It's blending that's just the main cocoa. So I'm going back with the pencil because I might have blurred some lines in the course of blending. Right now I'm using my powder puff to clean up the brows. This is the puff I used to apply powder on my skin tone, so like it was just going to help blend it way better. Just go back and forth, spoolie, pencil until you are satisfied. Right now I'm using a lighter concealer. This step is optional. I like to do it because me personally, I like a very highlighted under brows, especially at this brow bone areas, so it's optional. Just blend it. Then the next thing, I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow brush. I'm going to just blend at this under of my brow bone area, so that where the concealer starts and where the eyeshadow starts, it will be very seamless. And that's it. Voila, we're done. It's very easy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and like this video. Mwah.